Hello kids! Welcome to my channel KidsFluent. In this video you are going to learn animals' house's name. This is the house of ants and its name is Ant Hill. This is the house of lion and its name is Den. This is the house of cow and its name is Shade. This is the house of rabbit and its name is Burrow. This is the house of hens and its name is Coop. This is the house of birds and its name is Nest. This is the house of horses and its name is Stable. This is the house of pig and its name is Sty. This is the house of honey bee and its name is Hives. This is the house of dog and its name is Kennel. This is the house of spider and its name is Web. This is the house of goat and its name is Pen. This is the house of rat and its name is Hole. This is the house of cat and its name is Cattery. This is the house of monkey and its name is Tree. This is the house of fish and its name is Water. This is the house of bear and its name is Den. This is the house of camel and its name is Desert. This is the house of ducks and its name is Pond. This is the house of elephant and its name is Forest. This is the house of bat and its name is Roost. This is the picture of grassland and deer lives in it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share this video if you like it.